Are you constantly feeling tired, gaining weight, or are you struggling with brain fog issues? Even while you're taking thyroid medications. And plus, your thyroid blood work is also normal. What if I told you the real culprit out here might not be your thyroid levels, but in fact a parasite that almost no doctor checks for? Yes, a parasite, and this one lives inside millions of people worldwide undetected. And today I'm sharing with you this eye-opening information for thyroid patients that this parasite could be destroying your thyroid gland, and the worst part, most conventional doctors never look for it. And the name of this parasite is Blastocystis hominis, a microscopic parasite that lives in your gut, damages your immune system, and there are research studies which shows the connection of this parasite with thyroid disorders. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, world's thyroid expert. I help people reverse their thyroid conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. Let me ask you this question. Ever a thought cross your mind? Why did you get thyroid disorders? Have you ever got an answer for it? And plus, even though you might be taking thyroid medications, but you still feeling tired or brain fog or unable to lose weight or having hair fall issues. Or you might have been dismissed by your doctors multiple times that your thyroid numbers are normal and your symptoms are in your head. Well, I've heard this story again and again in my clinic each and every day. And in majority of these cases, when we start digging deeper, we find the root cause of their thyroid problems. And for a lot of these people, the root cause is hidden in their gut. And it can be this parasite, the Blastocystis. Now, let me first share with you what is this parasite Blastocystis hominis, because you might not have heard of it. So this is a protozoan parasite which is extremely common. Studies estimate that over 1 billion people worldwide carry this parasite. And this parasite is present world over, not only in developing countries, but also in developed countries like United States or even European countries also. And often the presence of this parasite is dismissed as being normally present in the gut and completely harmless. But we have new research studies which do suggest that this particular parasite has been associated with thyroid disorders. And the more important piece, treating this parasite has shown that it can improve thyroid levels and symptoms of people. A study published in 2014 in Parasitology Research found that Blastocystis can disrupt the gut microbiome and increase the intestinal permeability, what we call as leaky gut. And by causing this leaky gut, it actually causes inflammation in your body, which leads to triggering of Hashimoto's disease. There was another study done in group of people who had both Blastocystis infection in their gut and also Hashimoto's disease. And they were divided into two groups. One group was treated for the Blastocystis infection by an antibiotic, and the other group had no treatment done. It was shown that the group which had the treatment done for Blastocystis showed a significant improvement in the TPO antibodies, which is the Hashimoto's antibodies, plus their TSH levels also improved. So this is eye-opening. Just a treatment of parasite can improve your thyroid levels. Now the next question a lot of people might have is that what are the typical symptoms that they might have this parasite in their gut? So some of the typical symptoms associated with this parasite is that there is loss of appetite. People will often have abdominal pain or bloating. They will either go through diarrhea or constipation. They will have a lot of histamine reactions like skin rashes or hives, or they will have multiple allergies to foods or to environmental things. Plus, they will feel anxiousness or stressed out very easily, and they will also feel fatigued or weakness in their body. So these are the most common symptoms that people might have for this parasite. Now the next question is that how to test for this parasite. Now here's the biggest issue. The normal stool test that people do in their laboratory often miss this parasite because they are not equipped with advanced technology to check this parasite. Because often this parasite hides in your gut, and you not only need a microscopic examination but also a PCR based stool test to check for the DNA of this parasite in your gut. So for this, there are advanced stool tests available through functional medicine providers like me who can check for this parasite not only by microscopic examination but also with PCR technology. Typical stool tests which are called like GI maps or GI effects is what I'm talking about over here. So now let me share with you a quick story of my client. So this client of mine is a 37-year-old female who is a mother of two. you, and she came to me a couple of months ago, and she came to me with issues like having fatigued or tired all the time, having hair loss problems and weight gain. She was taking levothyroxine for years and that was not helping her at all. She had some gut related symptoms of some gas or bloating, but otherwise she was normal. But then we did this advanced stool testing for you and we did find the Blastocystis hominis plus also candida in her gut. We started her on a comprehensive gut healing protocol that included natural supplements, and within few weeks what she saw was that her energy levels improved dramatically. Within few months, when she repeated her blood work, she saw improvement in her thyroid antibody levels, and also her inflammation levels improved in the body, plus she was able to lose some weight, plus her hair thinning and hair loss problem also improved. So you see, her real problem was not her thyroid medication but a parasite and a candida which was present in her gut, and as soon as those were treated, her symptoms and her thyroid improved dramatically. So now the next question is that how to treat this parasite and what you can do to improve your gut health also. So there are medications which are available to treat this parasite. The most common ones is metronidazole. Obviously, if you're going the medication route, it is best to work with a physician who knows how to use this. But there are natural supplements which are shown in research studies that can also get rid of this Blastocystis parasite. One of them is a probiotic called Saccharomyces boulardii. Saccharomyces boulardii is a special yeast which has shown that it improves the gut immunity and helps your gut to get rid of this parasite. The second supplement which has shown in research studies to get rid of parasites in your gut is oil of oregano. Oil of oregano is a great supplement for your gut because it helps to cleanse parasites from your gut. It also helps in removing the bad bacteria as well as candida from your gut. Berberine is another gut healing supplement, and also it is an antimicrobial which helps in getting rid of several bad bacteria and parasites from your gut also. Make sure when you're using anti-parasitic medications, you are using a good quality high dose probiotic so that you can support your gut microbiome. So today I wanted to share with you this eye-opening information that the real reason of your thyroid disorder or the real reason why you're not feeling better might be your gut health, especially parasites in your gut. I always recommend working on a root cause approach of your thyroid diseases because once you address all of your root causes, magic happens. Your symptoms get better, your thyroid numbers get better, and you get the quality of life that you deserve back in your own life. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more about this root cause approach, I have written a book called Reversing Hashimoto's which is available on Amazon, which talks about all the root causes and how you can address them to get your thyroid back. The link will be in the description for you. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.